Hello guys, this is Tayyab from TTech. In this lecture we are going to cover the basics of arrays. What is array and how to use this, and what is the purpose of using array. Array, in simple words, you can say it is a special kind of variable which can store different kind of data like strings, numbers, objects. Even we can nest arrays inside the array. Okay, now let me show you variable array. Okay, brackets. Array always starts with brackets. Let's say Watson, any name, and now let me give an integer 12, and let's say another name Alisa. Okay, Alisa, it's it is a very simple and basic array. And now if we want to print, just let me array. Okay, so save it and refresh it, and you can see here we get Watson 12 Alisa. Okay, so we can also create array with another methods. Let's say new array Ali 10 Alex, let's say simple, and now print this one. Okay, so save it. You can see here we get Ali 11, Ali 10 and Alex. This one and with brackets both are same, but highly recommended this one. With bracket notations. It is simple and not complicated as compared to new words that can give unexpected results. Okay, now let's see another features. Okay, if we wanna get only 10, how to get it? Let me show you. Let's say variable number is equal. In arrays, index always start from 0, 0, 1, 2. So this one is 1, 10 is on 1. Yeah, so I will be this one, and now let me change this one number. Save it and now refresh it. So you can see here we get 10. But what if I want to change the number? Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say if I want to change 10 to 20, now how can I will change? Let's say 20. This one is array and this one is bracket notation, and this one is showing element, and in array index always start from 0, 0, 1, 2. So 1 will be placed at. Okay, so refresh this one, and you can see here we get Ali 20 and Alex. Okay, so this was how to change element and how to access this one. Okay, so now let's have another methods. Length. This will show the length of array. Okay, so save it. Okay, so let's say it's a function, so that, and now let me change this one length. So here we will get, here is 3. Okay, so that was very simple. And now another method, let's say sorted array array dot sort. Now print this one. Sorted array, sorry. Now save it. Guys, here you can see we got sorted array 10 Alex Ali, but here is Ali 10 Alex. So this is sorted array. And now let's look another methods. What if you want to change the last element, means you want to remove or you want to add? For that we have different kind of functions, and now let's have two very important methods. Let's say dot push, oh sorry, here will be a dot push method. Push, it will be push at the end of array. Let means push myself. Okay, so now change this one, array. Okay, so remove this one, save it, and now refresh it. Guys, here you can see we get Ali 10 Alex and Tayyab. Okay, so guys, what if I want to remove Tayyab because it is at the end? And now let me say pop method. Okay, so you can say we got Ali 10 and Alex. Okay, so that was very simple, guys. Now, but what if we want to change the element from the beginning and we want to remove or we want to add? So what can we do? There are two methods. Let me comment of this one. Okay, so let's say array dot shift. Oh sorry, I shift. Save it and refresh it. You can see we got 10 and Alex because shift is like pop method. Let me say shift, pop is equal as shift. Okay, and we have another method that is unshift dot unshift. Let me say we wanna add at the beginning of another name. Let's say Lisa. Save it and refresh. You can say we get Lisa 10 and Alex. So that was very simple. And now let's look another method. What if we want to convert this array into a string? Okay, so let's say dot toString. This is very simple method and it will change into string. Now let me print this one, save it and refresh it. Here you can see we get in the form of string Lisa 10 and Alex. Simple, guys. Another methods, let's say join. Join is also like toString, but we can add a parameter. Let's say we wanna join this string with the hashtag. Let me write hashtag, so refresh it. Here you can see we get Lisa hashtag 10 hashtag Alex. So that was very simple. And we also have another method delete. Let's say we wanna delete what we want to delete. Let's say we want to delete Alex. Okay, so let's say we want to delete last element, and for last element it's simple because we cannot count if there will be a too much elements inside the element. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 counting. It is not perfect method. Now let's say we want to remove last element. Let's say length. Oh, sorry, misspell. Length -1, because index always start from 0 and length will be start from 1. So let's say we have 3, a length of array is 3 and -1 2, and the element will be removed third one. Okay, so save it and refresh it. Okay, so you can see here we get Lisa and 10. Guys, now let's look another method. A very important method is splicing. Splicing means add elements inside the array with splicing methods, and it's simply you can say add new items in the array. Okay, let's say we have array of colors. Okay, red, green. Okay, so you can say we have a very short list of colors, and now let's look our splice method. Colors splice, it will be say first parameter, how many elements do you want to add. Let's say we want to add one element. Okay, and second parameter takes you can delete elements. Let's say you, how many elements do you want to delete? We don't want to delete anyone. Okay, so last element which you want to add. Okay, so last parameter is, let's say we have black. Okay, now print this one. Colors, save it and refresh it. Okay guys, you can see we get red, black, green, red, black, green, because we add this one on the position 1 0 1. Okay, so now let's say we want to also remove one element, delete, like we just get red and black. Okay, so simply here from position 1 green, from position 1 first element will be start and will be remove 1, because its list only comes 0 1 and 1 will be not included. Let's say we have 2 and add another element, any x, any, you can just suppose this one. Okay, you can see we just get. Okay, save it. Okay, so here is green S. Okay guys, this was very simple method splice, and now let's have another method splice. And sorry, that is slice. We just finished splice and now we look have slice. Let me give any name of variable, colors dot slice. First have a look example, then I explain you. You can see we get green S, because it will be start from 1 0 1 2. As you know, index in array always start from 0. Okay, let me say 2. It will be just an S 0 1 2. Okay, so let me omit it, and it will be give a copy of our colors. Okay, so you can see we get it. Slice method also can take two arguments. Let's say first and second one is starting. Oh, second one is ending, first one is starting. You can see we get red, green, red and green, 0 1 2, because 2 1 is not, will be not included. Let's say 3, and then it will be print 2 also. You can see here we got red, green and S. Yes, so that was very simple. And now let me remove this one, and now let's talk about concatenate. Let me say colors. We want to add more colors together. Colors 1 let's say white and black. Okay, so now just this method, let me give cnct colors dot concat. There will be a method concat. It will be merge or mix both arrays into one arrays. You can see. Okay, so now let me print cn, save it, and now refresh it. Guys, you can see here we get both arrays only into one arrays, red, green, as, white, black. This one we got it. So guys, that's a very short introduction of concat method. It's very easy and simple. Okay.